Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmates. My name is Mark Christian Lorenzi Basco from BSIT 1C. Before we start, what is technology? Technology is refers to the application of the scientific knowledge and skills for practical purposes. It includes tools, machine, device, and systems that are created to facilitate various tasks and improve efficiency and effectiveness in different area of human life. My explanation. Technology makes work easier. Kasi nakakatulong itong mabilis matapos ang trabaho gamit ang machine. Napakalaking tulong nito sa mga mag-aaral, mga ibang tao nagtatrabaho ng gamit ang technology. May mga technology na synonyms niya. Ang una is innovation or bagong idea sa Tagalog. Advancement. Kailangan din natin ng mag-advance para sa buhay ng isang tao. Automation or automobile. Gamit ang iba't ibang machine na papabilis ang pagpunta sa ibang lugar gamit ang automation or automation. Tulad ng kotse, bus at iba pang automobile. Balik po tayo sa question ni ma'am. What is the effect of technology in human life? For me, I have two effects of technology in human life. Negative effect and positive effect. Doon muna po tayo sa positive effect. Positive effect is improved communications. Technology has revolutionized communication by providing various platforms and tools to connect people across to the globe. Mapapadali ang pag-communicate sa iba't ibang tao sa buong mundo. Dati, sulat lang ang pag-communicate. Ngayon, through messenger, instant message, and other apps na mapapadali na lang ang pag-communicate. Enhancing education. Technology has transformed to the education sector, making learning more interactive and engaging. Digital tools and online platform enable personal learning, virtual classroom, and across education resources. Mapapadali po ang pag-aaral natin tulad ng mga presentation. Kunting search mo lang sa Google, meron na yung sagot at online learning. Number 1 is addiction and independence. Technology has the potential to become addictive, especially when it comes to activities like gaming, social media, and streaming. Ang negative effect naman po ng addiction ay sa online games like Mobile Legends, COD, at iba pang laro. At nagiging tamad ang mga tao dahil sa addiction. Yun lang po, ma'am. Thank you po.